is a stain smear. And in the question, I'm gonna, reading the questions carefully, guys, is really helpful because a lot of times there's hints in the question, right? So take your time to read the question. And sometimes students say, I knew what the organism was even before I looked through the scope. So, okay, so let's say on the lab exam, we've got a microscope with a stain smear. And I tell you, the organism on the slide is called Brewers or Baker's yeast. Provide the genus name. Saccharomyces, right? And remember, you guys, you're going to write it with proper convention. Since it's a genus name, you're going to capitalize it. And what else are you going to do? Underline it, right? Otherwise, you get half point stock, and you don't want to do that. And then, folks, let's say you look into the microscope, and let's say the pointer is pointing at a cell. A single cell, it looks like it's growing in a couple of little noses. And I ask you to identify the process occurring at the tip of the pointer. What would you tell me? I know it's hard. Budding, right. Is that sexual or asexual reproduction? Good, good. Asexual reproduction, you guys. And that's classic asexual reproduction for yeasts. Good. Okay. So, folks, why do we use Saccharomyces to make leaven bread, to make beer and wine? What cool process do they carry out?
Alcoholic fermentation.
Alcoholic fermentation, right? And could you write just a short little summary reaction for it?
Sugar.
Yeah, you can just do this. Okay, sugar goes to CO2, a gas, right? That's what causes the bread to rise. So let's give the sparkle, the carbonation to beer and sparkling wine. And then what else? And ethanol, 2 carbon alcohol. Good job, you guys. All right. Now, and you know, we're going to do this over and over. Okay, you guys. So Saccharomyces domain. Good. Domain eukarya. Kingdom. Fungi. Good. Is it multicellular or unicellular? Unicellular, right? So by definition, you guys, a unicellular fungus is a yeast, right? That's a common name for them. Awesome, you guys. Excellent. Good job. Okay. And then, folks, what if I showed you, what if at another stage, and again, you guys, I know this is hard, we had this plate, oh, go ahead, Ray. And you see on the surface, there's some little white threads, and then it looks like there's this kind of turquoise blue powder. And I ask you to provide the genus name of this organism.
Penicillium.
Penicillium, awesome. Which cool antibiotic does penicillium make?
Penicillin.
Penicillin, good. Guys, what's the name of the little white threads growing upward from the auger? Aerial hyphae, good. What's their job? They're going to support the spore forming structures. Good, you guys. And the little turquoise blue powdery material, what's that? Good. Conidia spores or conidia. Are those sexual or asexual spores? Asexual. Awesome, you guys. If we flip the plate over and I describe these little filaments growing into the auger, what's the name of those little filaments growing into the auger?
Vegetative.
Vegetative hyphae, what's their purpose? They're secreting digestive enzymes, breaking down big food nutrient molecules in the environment, and then doing what? Absorbing the small nutrient subunits across the cell membrane. That's why we say, you guys, fungi have an absorptive form of nutrition. Awesome, you guys. So, you guys, penicillium, domain, eukarya kingdom, fungi, good. Is it a zygomycete, ascomycete, or basidiomycete? Ascomycete, right? Or remember, you guys, if you don't know, just guess ascomycetes, and 9 times out of 10 you'll be right on our lab exam. Good job. It's excellent. Folks, what's the common name for this little guy? A mushroom. Good. Okay. Any idea what the stalk or stipe is made of?
Hyphae.
Yeah, aerial hyphae. Well done, you guys. What's the purpose of the cap? What is it making? Spores. What kind of spores? Basidiospores, are those sexual or asexual spores?
Sexual.
Sexual spores, okay, and thus mushrooms belong to which group? Ascomycetes, zygomycetes, or basidiomycetes? Basidiomycetes, awesome, you guys. Well done. Okay, folks, so what if I showed you at a station we had a plate, you look at the top and there's all these little white threads, look like they're trying to push the lid off the plate. There's little black dots here, and probably on the scopes, you guys, we might have the scope showing you this structure. Maybe we'll have a second scope showing you this structure. So you guys, what's the genus name of this organism? Rhizopus. Which kingdom does it belong to? Fungi. Good, you guys. So folks, what are the little black dots here? Sporangia. What are they making? Sporangiospores. Are those sexual or asexual? They're asexual. Awesome, you guys. What if on the second scope I put a pointer at this structure? That's a zygospore. Good, you guys. And thus, Rhizopus belongs to which group? Ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, or zygomycetes? Zygomycetes. Awesome, you guys. And what's the common name for a Rhizopus? Red mold. Good. Mike, you just like got everything. Let's see here. You just nailed everything. So does that give you a sense? Let me see what I have up here. Does that give you a sense, you guys, of kind of the level of questions we have? Those are just so typical questions. And you guys, the lab exam, like individual questions are hard, but what makes it so hard? There's so much to remember, right? So we have cast of characters, we have prokaryotic ecology, and you guys are gonna have a whole bunch more fungi on Tuesday, and then we have 2